Okay, another exercise I want to go through today is a seated cable row. So too often than not, there's a lot of work in the biceps here and not a lot of work actually in the back. Very often you'll see something along the lines of here, lots of swinging and lots of throwing of the weight, where actually the whole movement becomes about what the biceps are doing. So to actually activate into the lats and work into that upper mid-back area, what you need to do is set the torso. So it's completely still, there's no movement here in the torso at all. And then from there, add a little stretch in here, and then as you come back, drive the chest forward, squeeze those elbows back. The further those elbows come past the rib line, the more activation you're going to get in those wing muscles of the lats. So tend to use a V-bar for this, so what you'll see from here, nice wide grip, lock in here into an upright position, slight stretch forwards, drive the elbows back, lock in with a stretch, chest forwards, drive back. So from here there's the drive back there, so the elbows come, stretch the lats and drive it beyond the midline. So what's really nice about this bar is you can pull your chest through that V shape of the bar, and that way you're going to get more activation and more work in your legs.